Viseart Petit Pro London Etoile. Stars in London. This is such a beautiful purple, goldy, and greeny palette, and it retails for $30. Before we begin, of course, we're gonna go see some swatches. Start with the cream matte shadow to set my primer. For primer, I always use whatever concealer I wear, and this one is the Tarte Shape Tape. Next, I'm using the taupey brown shade for the first half of my crease. And then when you go overboard, you just take that cream shade and then remove that part with your blending brush, and there you go, girl. Next, we are using this beautiful purple for the outer half of the crease. I used the wrong brush. Literally, I'm so happy they have that matte cream shade because I am going overboard with these colors. Next, we are going to this very dark cool toned espresso shimmery shade right here. I'm gonna apply this shade on the outer third of my lid. This is like one of those shades where it's like shimmer but then not shimmer. That is beautiful. Now we are using this golden green, I think, and I'm gonna apply that in the middle of my lid. Okay, now I want to try this with my finger, with my pinky, just to get it a little bit more opaque. Perfect. Now I'm using that gold shade for the first third of my lid. So over here, I'm kind of bringing that gold out into the green. And then in this part right here, I'm kind of blending it upwards to kind of create like a very subtle cut crease. Not really, but it's blending in the top part. Now I'm taking a pencil brush and taking that beautiful purple shade onto my lower lash line. I'm gonna go back to this shade right here just to fill in the sparse areas. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, we have one more shade to use here, and I feel like my eyes are so filled with colors. I'm gonna apply that in the second half of my lower lash line. Now for the highlights, I'm gonna go back to that matte shade that we used to set our primer. We are done, we are finished, and this is the result. The matte shades of this purple right here, and no, just this one right here, it was a little bit hard to blend out initially because the pigment is so strong. But I love how they do have this matte cream here to use as a blending shade. Like earlier when I had this brown spot over here and it blended out really nicely. This one was very easy to blend. I had no problems with that, or this one. And then the shimmers here are more like a satin shimmer. It's not very glittery, which I love in this palette because it makes it look so so sultry and elegant. With that said, I really do recommend this palette. This is not something you want to skip out because man, elegant. It's your turn, let's talk. What Petit Pro from Viseart have you tried lately? Was London one of them? And if so, what are your thoughts of this palette? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you are looking to watch more videos on my channel, check out this video right here. This is me, oh my goodness, trying out the NYX Stick It Thicket brow mascara. If you want to see my struggles, I will see you in that video. But for now, have a beautiful and wonderful day.